Y'all know this is my style. I tell you guys this all the time. I love this bang wig. Just easy, throw on and go. So we're gonna tie or tighten the bands up at the back. I love to tighten this because it makes it fit so good on my head. It was giving Tina Turner at first, so we gotta comb through this, bump through this, and make it right. The hair texture is bomb, and they're so easy to manage that I didn't mind. I'm taking the Nairobi mousse because I can get all the flyaways and etc. out the way. That's called hot comb, and I'm combing through it because I'm trying to find the part and see how I want to bump it and if it needs to be cut. You guys know when I get bang wigs, I do not like to cut the bangs at all. I would rather scoop the wig back than cut the bangs. I use this bristle brush in between every step so I can make the wig as flat as possible. So I'm going to take a wax stick and I'm only going to put this at the top because I want the rest of my wig to still have a lot of body in it. Why do I keep saying that? The hot combs, you know, fresh out the box. I don't have to worry about a lot of plucking and any complex styles, just something easy for everybody. So we're flat. Like I said, in between every step I go in with this brush. So what I'm gonna do is take some spray. I love it to be flat, guys. I don't want volume up there. And we're gonna flat iron now. And you see how easy that is? Oh my gosh, I love their hair. The actual quality of their hair is like really, really good.